Good evening, crypto fam. This is a market recap for Thursday, February 20th. All right, so let's see what is going on here. All right, we've got kind of a daily bull flag here that is trying to confirm on the Bitcoin dominance, which is not a good sign for the Bitcoin or the crypto alts. Not ideal. There's a potential that we could see a 4-hour lower high. For sure, we did make enough space. But yeah, this is holding up pretty strong as far as this is a cup and handle at this point. Coming out of this falling wedge, the most important level is maintaining this daily lower high, 62.27%. But yeah, that's ideally we hold it before the bulls show up. All right, so Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin's actually looking not bad right now. We are just under this high here. I'm just going to take these trend lines. I am looking at this like, we're looking for a lower high than right here. Sorry. And we came right up to it. A daily lower high than 98,929. We're 4-hour bull flagging underneath that level right now. We don't want to. Where's the point? Ideally, we could hold the 0.382 of this move up, and that would give us a good opportunity to confirm, or a better opportunity to confirm inverse head and shoulders. Overall, nothing. We're still in a daily downtrend. Nothing changes until that happens. So this is the first step that we're trying to make. We're still in this mother bar. As I've been saying, we could trade in this mother bar for a long period of time, but the break of this mother bar, especially on Bitcoin, is rather important. So this is a good sign that we are trying to reverse the daily trend to bulls again. As like we were literally just fading this move. So this is the first time. Now it is important that we hold this low. We have lots of room to make a higher low, and this is what we need to see. So it is important to hold this 93,431 right now. Ethereum still in this bit of an equilibrium. Looks like the 12 moving average is being a bit of a problem for it too. We did break this weekly inside bar bullish. We just didn't see much follow through. The important thing is the high of that. Now we've double topped at this level. So this is a daily inverse head and shoulders. We need to break this bull, get more of a continuation here. We don't want to set this daily lower high and then start coming down, and then we're just looking at an equilibrium to continue. So that's what I'm looking at with Ethereum. XRP, yeah, we're just looking at this like an equilibrium at this time, trying to find a daily higher low now than here, and it's just tightening up. But yeah, we pulled back pretty far, and now we're seeing consolidation already on the daily with the double top right here. So XRP's got some resistance to deal with. We want to see this daily higher low get set as soon as possible, and then that will give us more conviction that we're going to hold. So we're still holding the 0.382 of this move. Okay, if we can hold the 0.382 on this, we'll be good. But we're coming up to it now. Okay, so Litecoin, which was standing out, and it is still standing out. We've got this big inverse head and shoulders. Now we're making a second attempt. We've set it. We keep setting daily higher lows, daily higher low, daily higher low. Now we're trying to break out. We want to break out here. This is perfect. And then when we do break out, we do have this level here. And ideally what we want to do is when we break out, we can back test. Well, the best situation is just running away, but that's not always the case. We usually always see those back tests, so we want to hold that. If when we do get daily consolidation, we would want to be holding that back test. But we have to break out first, one step at a time. Hype, we're seeing a daily bounce now. Broke that inside bar bullish with not a lot of follow through. We got that upper wick. Now we got the 12 moving average here as being a problem. We're just in an equilibrium here, a bigger equilibrium, and we're still holding this daily uptrend, but we need to see more continuation here at this point for hype. Big picture, this weekly cup and handle, but we got to get up here. We got to get up here to like 32 range, at least to this. If we can get up to 31.47, I'd be more convinced that this is going to be a weekly cup and handle, and we could see a big move come from this. Okay? BNB, we are in a triple inside bar right now with the 50 moving average right above us. So that's not ideal. We want to be above that 50 moving average. So what are we looking at? We got a 4-hour equilibrium. It's getting very tight. So the break of that could be significant. These are the most important levels at this time. And down here. But yeah, we are equilibrium. Solana was garbage. Still bear flagging. Doesn't look that good to me. Solana just doesn't look good. It hasn't proved anything. We need to see more follow through on this bounce to give us more conviction that this is not a bear flag. We've got the 12 moving average right above us. This is not ideal. We broke the panic low. We broke another resistance. As I've been saying, there's this giant weekly head and shoulders that was a pattern, and now if we see another continuation here, it could get really ugly. I'm not liking Solana at all. Ondo, daily bear flag as well. Not seeing a lot of, and we got the 12 moving average. Caution on Ondo. We need to see more room to give us a daily higher low when that comes. We always have to make a daily higher low. So if we don't get past the 0.382, likelihood goes down. Link, kind of bear flagging right now on the 4-hour. So let me get past. So we made it to the 0.5, but we're starting to see a 4-hour possible trend change. We got this 4-hour equilibrium at this point, or I guess hourly equilibrium, I'll call it. We need this to break bull. We want to get up here at least to give us more likelihood of a higher low. Sui, bull flagging on the 4-hour. Still hasn't topped out on this 4-hour actually, so we're still seeing bull or 4-hour continuation. Starting to look better. We've just got this big equilibrium we're looking at, so we're looking for a lower high than 373.98. Right there, expect that, a daily lower high, but this is a very easy pattern to be playing, and that's also the 50 moving average too, which will be significant coming from below it. So we're just kind of bouncing between the 50 and the 200 moving average at this point. This is exciting to watch. Like this will be good. Mochi, we're down to the 0.5 now. I'm still looking at this as an inverse head and shoulders, but if we're losing the 0.5, more likelihood of an equilibrium as the right shoulder. We do have the 50 moving average below us, which is a good sign. We might end up coming down to that, but then that would put us at the golden pocket, and then we would look at an equilibrium. So we're in a daily downtrend. We quickly set a daily lower high on this bounce, and we're hanging out at the low. So it's very possible that we could come visit this 50 moving average now. So, yep, looking at that for Mochi. Alpha, inside bar on the day, closed very bullish, but yeah, no follow through, or I don't know, we opened quite a bit lower. Double inside bar this time. This mother bar is the most important. We're just trying to set a daily higher low still. Confirm our daily higher low, and we would just be looking for a lower high than this pivot here. And then we're in an equilibrium. Otherwise, we're just bear flagging here, and we can see continuation. Caspa, we set that daily higher low and started bouncing fairly quick. We've got the 12 kind of guiding us up now, so that's a good sign. The problem I have is the mother bar candle. We still haven't broke it, and with a 50 moving average right above us. And this triple top is another thing. So Caspa has a lot coming up against it very soon. So we'll see how that goes. We could also be looking at this like a potential 4-hour equilibrium. AVAX. Just wicking perfectly off the 12 moving average here. Broke out of this bear flag, and now we're just looking for a 4-hour higher low. We do have a 4-hour uptrend, but yeah, now we are looking for a 4-hour higher low. Then 23, 24, 20. Well, this is just kind of a pivot here, but this is the more important one. Higher low than 23.36, and the more this pulls back, the more likelihood we see an equilibrium play out. Ton is garbage. We broke out of this equilibrium bearish, and we kind of back test. Now we're heading back down. This is, yeah, not ideal. Oh, we got a double inside bar at this time, but we're not looking good as far as the bulls. The 12 moving average is holding us down. Ton is a terrible name right now. Same with Trump. Daily bear flag. Now we're trying to confirm this. We're already set the lower high. Got like a triple top there. We're trying to... Trump looks terrible too. High risk of seeing follow through, and then we're looking at this double bottom here, and then we're looking at the all-time low. All right, we'll see you for the pre-market tomorrow, and have a good night.